So I made this little earring holder in ceramics. So it basically is just a little bowl kind of thing. And then you just poke holes in there. So I'm going to show you just how to put like the earrings actually in there. So basically all you do is you have an earring and then the back. And then you're just going to stick it right in the hole. And then the back should be coming out of the back right there. And then you're just going to stick this on. And there you have it. So it's just sitting there and you know exactly what kind it is and everything. So that's really good. It is a little tight, so like maybe space out the holes a little bit more. And you want to make sure like this is actually thin because there's not that much of like the metal to like poke through, you know? And so that's basically it. Like, there they all. I don't really want to get them off, but they're all just sitting there in my little thing here. I really like have a bunch of these dangly earrings, so those obviously don't fit on there, but I'll figure out something. And then just this little compartment in the middle is really nice too. So that's basically it. I mean, not much. It's just like a super cute, like little, there you go. There you go. So it's just like a super cute little thing to have your earrings in. Like, I think I'm gonna like throw that away and just like make it a lot bigger and everything, because that obviously doesn't really like help. Like, it was a cute idea, but it didn't really like help with my space and everything. So yeah, that's basically it. I think it's really cool, and I'll see what I end up doing with it.